Hi there, and thanks for joining me on YouTube. Today's lesson, Icefields Parkway. To someone reading a road map, the Icefields Parkway appears to be nothing more than a tiny ribbon of highway heading northwest through the rugged Canadian Rocky Mountains. But anyone traveling along it knows that the Icefields Parkway is more than just another highway. In fact, it is one of the most spectacular scenic routes in all of Canada. Winding its way along a 230-kilometer stretch from Lake Louise to Jasper, the parkway crosses through the boundaries of both Banff and Jasper National Parks in Alberta. This route offers travelers a view of some of the most magnificent scenery in the area, including snow-capped mountains, deep green rivers, alpine meadows, and giant ice fields and glaciers that are many thousands of years old. Highway 93, as the parkway is also called, begins at a cutoff on the Trans-Canada Highway and travels northward toward Mount Columbia. Rising nearly 3,750 meters into the sky, Mount Columbia is the highest point in Alberta. It is also the peak of the Columbia Icefield, the largest ice field in southern Canada. This ice field is an area of over 389 square kilometers covered in ice and snow. It is located on a ridge running along the middle of the Rocky Mountains called the Continental Divide. A divide is a point usually located high on a mountaintop where waters begin to flow down each side of the slope. The highest point on this slope forms a natural intersection between waters that flow down one side and waters that flow down the other. The Columbia Icefield covers a unique three-way divide at the boundary between British Columbia, Alberta, and both Banff and Jasper National Parks. Here, from the snow dome high up in the Columbia Icefield, the melting waters of three mighty glaciers drain in separate directions towards the Atlantic, Pacific, and Arctic Oceans. The rim of the Columbia Icefield can be seen from several points along the parkway. Travelers can enjoy a clear view of spectacular ice falls and glacier ice flows creeping down mountainsides and over cliffs. Goat Lookout, for example, is a point 37 kilometers south of Jasper Park. It offers a stunning view of the Athabasca Valley, where sightseers often spot wild mountain goats and bighorn sheep. Travelers can also travel the icy slopes of the Athabasca Glacier in specially designed snow coaches that tour the area. Other spectacular landmarks along the Icefields Parkway include the waterfalls and valleys created by the Sunwapta River. Beginning with the awesome view of Sunwapta Pass, where a wide green meadow opens up to reveal the snow-topped peak of Mount Athabasca, the parkway continues on towards Sunwapta Falls. Here, the river plunges into a deep canyon before flowing out through beautiful forests. It may not be Canada's longest highway, but nothing compares to the beauty of Alberta's Icefields Parkway. Thanks for listening.